guys, today me and my brother are gonna be playing kitten game. My brother just turned into a wizard and someone is blocking me, so yeah. And me and him are gonna go to the dance play room. For some reason his is doing a weird sound, so ignore it, so yeah. Comment if you want Jackie to turn his music down. Okay, let's go to the dance party room and see if he follows me. Because right now we're not in the same room, so we cannot hear each other right now, so yeah. Because Jack's not here. We're not in the same room at all, but we're going to go up to the dance party room. And
I'm already there.
He's already there.
Oh, the dance party?
Because we are calling each other right now, so we can hear each other. So you might hear him too.
You might see me dance.
Yep, they're going to see you dance. Jack, we're supposed to be on this, not the same side. Just talking to him on my video call.
Yes, just over here.
I'm jumping on this side, and Jack is at the other side.
And
he's in the middle. So that means I have to go to the middle beside him. Jack's in the middle. So, wait, Jack, I have an idea. So, we gotta do the mix dance. We need to do the mix dance. So you have to face me. No, face me. Jack, face me. Like this. Go like this to me. No, on the other side. Okay, we gotta be in the same spot, Jackie. And then we gotta do the mix dance. Oh wait, I can't do the mix dance here. Sorry guys, my iPad. Oh, you guys can't see me a lot. So we're gonna do dance 3. We're gonna do dance 3. Even because I cannot do the mix dance. Maybe I can. How do I do the mix dance with this? Do I do that? Okay, we're doing dance 3 together. And that cat right there looks like our mom, but she actually is not. We're going to leave the dance party room soon. Oh, now
we're going to our secret hideout.
Yeah. By the way, sorry, that's just a plug. There we go. And we're going to go to our secret hideout soon. By the way, we're just gonna show you where it is. We're gonna blur out.
So it also shows me on the camera.
We're gonna blur out that. We're gonna blur out how we got there, so we'll use the app edit.
What are you doing?
We're gonna blur this out.
And how are you running so fast? I'm gonna jump.
By the way, my water is actually very clear right now, so
I'm gonna go my other way.
yeah, it's very nice, I know. But right now, in Jack's iPad, the water is actually, oh sorry guys, the water is actually very blue. Before it was like white. It's so nice, and yeah. Oh, why my color changed color? Okay. So, oh, now it changed back into clear. Oh, turned into clear water. Okay, so now we gotta go to this island. By the way, I'm gonna turn this around. I'm gonna turn this around like this while we get to this hideout, because you guys have to try and guess how we got to the hideout. Wait, let me just change my dolphins.
beat you.
Oh no. Just because I was doing stuff. You're not supposed to show them. Okay, so we got to this picture. If you didn't know how to change a dolphin, you go to this picture right here. When you click on the dolphins. And then look at this. If you leave it on your iPad, and the tutorial to get these, we'll do that in our next video. But right now we're going to be doing something in our hideout. But we'll show you the hideout, but we won't show you where it is. Well, Jack calls it the hideout. I'm not really sure if it's actually a hideout place. So I'm getting there. By the way, we're at my grandma's house if you're wondering if this is even our house. So, okay, I made it in, so now you guys can see. Now, we got that. We're gonna, okay. So now we're in the base. I'm not actually really sure if it's a base. By the way, I'm gonna get out of here. So do not worry. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna go up to my secret base. I'll tell you where mine is, because Jack wants no one except me to know where his secret base is.
I came out of my secret base.
Oh, okay. He came out of the secret base.
Where's the secret base?
I'm not showing you yet.
It's upstairs?
Yeah, but don't say it out loud where it is. If you do, I'll tell them where yours is. Okay, now we're going to do it here. At my space. So, there we go. And now we'll get here. Jack just did something. So, you see, we're at
the Jack.
See, we're at here.
Where's your beds? Where's our bed?
Our beds are down right here.
We need a hole.
Oh, well, there is a hole. A ginormous hole.
Where?
Right here. Look. Right here, that's a hole. That's a hole where my mouse is pointing. Ah, sorry, guys. He doesn't know that this is a whole house. Well, not stupid, but how does he not know that it's a hole?
Where's the hole?
It's right there!
Where?
It's right there! That's a hole, Jack. This is a hole. How do you not know what a hole is? And since you guys can't see, well, you can see where mine is. Every time we're in kitten game, if you are a fan, we are always at our bases. So yeah. If you often play kitten game, you will probably see Jack in the server.
Yeah, because I really like playing kitten games.
I don't play it as much as him.
Yeah, I love it.
He loves it and I like it. I usually play DTI if you're a fan.
Yeah.
You can comment on this on my channel.
The video is working out.
On our channel, we have this video called Going Crazy and Just to Impress, which we call DTI because it stands for Just to Impress. And if you're wondering if we have the group cats, we do. We have these colorful kitties. Because, you know, we can equip these dolphins. And these cats are group only. And this one's group only.
Why did I turn into
he accidentally turned into a grown-up. Not Chucky grown-up. But, yeah. Oh, there's a mouse right there. I need that mouse. Person, give me the mouse. Give me the mouse. Oh, by the way, we can show you our cat. Let's see when we get back home. Mitzi's our little kitty cat. Don't mind this. It's just glowing. Oof.
I need a mouse. I want a mouse.
Yeah, give us the mouse person. No.
He ate it?
Yep. Okay.
Never get our own mouse, and then we're gonna never let him get our mouses.
Yeah. Since we all start on a mode, since you'll see us on YouTube, or if you don't have YouTube, anything that you see videos on,
What you done?
you'll probably see us if you look up Jack and Victoria's World, Poppy, or Jack's World, or Victoria's World.
Yeah, because Jack and Victoria's World, I think, is a kitten game.
It's our gaming world. We play almost every game in Roblox. Jack and Victoria's World is also when we go in our pool. It's so big.
I'm gonna go to sleep on the white bed. Ah, there's someone on it.
Hey Jack, we gotta get Daddy and make our YouTube channels.
Yeah, we gotta
So
do
we
it.
can like jump into the pool today.
So, actually, could we do the channel home? Time to go in the blue room.
Hey guys, I'll be right back. You'll see my feet probably.
Yeah.
Yep, you see me. So let's see if it's sunny out here.
I will be right back.
Actually, it is kind of sunny. Okay, I'm back, but Jack is not. Hey, Grandma, you think it's sunny enough to...
Sorry, what?
You think it's sunny enough to swim? So Jack is like right here at the house. Jack's also behind me. We were trying to trick you that we were calling, but we can call each other if we were not recording on my iPad. We can post the video. Well, you know we post videos. But this is one of our first ones, and we are so excited to have our YouTube accounts on making videos. We are so excited. And now we're gonna grab this mouse because it's delicious. Now I'm gonna eat it, and I'm gonna take one with the cannon. Give me this mouse. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the island. I'm gonna land in the pool, and then I'm gonna eat my mouse and see if anything happens. By the way, if you think my voice sounds weird, sorry. I am actually kind of allergic to stuff here in the summer weather. Even though it is summer, but it's not raining, but yeah. It looks like it would rain, but it's actually not gonna rain. It's gonna be sunny for a bit. Oh my gosh, the water looks so clear. By the way, if you guys are playing on an iPad or a phone, this water might look a little bit blue like this. But if you're playing on a computer or laptop, it will actually look very clear. Sorry guys, there we go. I'm just moving my mouse around so I can oh! Sorry guys, I'm gonna jump up. Oh yeah, I did it. But I'm red. Wow. Hello Canada, boy, cats, watermelon. I'm gonna click on this. There we go. Yay, I'm playing. Play on this one. Yeah, this one looks cute. How about this one? How about this one? Aw, so cute. I'm going with the middle one. So cute! Oh, this one's so cute. This action. By the way, if you're wondering about another cat game, we do have another cat game, but it's on our Nintendo. And we did not bring a Nintendo here to our grandma's house. But after we get back home, we could play it to show you when our dad is ready. Yeah. Well, make sure to like and subscribe. to like and subscribe before we show you that. So yeah, we're gonna post the video when most of you liked and subscribed if you watch our channel. So yeah, our first channel is called Poppy, which me and Jack both do, where we try to find a cat named Poppy. Because I am actually Poppy. So, yeah, so aka me. Because I am definitely not Poppy. Because I am definitely not Poppy. I was never Poppy in my life. But yeah. Hopefully we can find Poppy,
Okay, where are you?
which is not me.
I see Poppy.
But you see Poppy?
What the heck?
And our next
Somebody's
channel,
name is Cat Watermelon.
that's yours.
Well, somebody else.
Wait, there's
Yeah.
another person.
But not the same name. It's not Canada Boy.
Where's the cat watermelon? Oh yeah, there is another person named the cat one. That's funny. I'm gonna change. Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
He gotta leave. This is how you spell the others. And now, how do I do emojis? Let's see. So, how to highlight. Okay. So, then
Where are you, Victoria? Where are you, Victoria?
Oh no, I forgot the E, the I. M-I.
No,
E-V-E-S.
the whale. Victoria, where are you?
A-K-A. Snow.
Is this you?
No.
This looks like you.
Wait, is this the person with the crown?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me. That's me. The red laser!
On camera?
Jack, the red laser!
What?
Look.
Can I be your grown up?
Sure. Jack's gonna be my grown up, so he doesn't really mind that because he loves being my grown up for some reason. I'm just holding a Brooks burger. Oh, sorry.
You know where I'm going?
He's going.
Yes, or you can say before us.
So we're going to be doing something after. Okay. The burger within the. Okay. We gotta go back, turn into a human again, and we gotta turn into a human again. Go beside me. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.